Welcome to Great Choice.
Top 5 Best Automatic Espresso Machine in 2022.
Top 1.
Delonghi Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine, with an adjustable grinder, manual cappuccino maker, for brewing espresso, cappuccino, latte. ECAM22110B Magnifica S. Multifunctional automatic espresso coffee machine with a manual cappuccino system that delivers a tasty barista quality espresso, long coffee, double espresso, cappuccino, then 3 minutes. Can be used with either coffee beans or ground coffee for preparation of 2 cups of coffee within a single brewing cycle. Professional brew 2 cups of magic drink simultaneously with top-of-the-line Delonghi bean-to-cup brews 2 cups. Great brewing without having to learn how to be a barista. This fully automated machine has an integrated silent coffee grinder with 13 adjustable grinding settings, a bypass doser, a pump generating up to 15 bars of pressure, a water filter and manual milk frother, as electronic temperature control and pre-brewing technology.
Top 2.
Delonghi ECAM37095Ti Dinamica Plus Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, Titanium. 3.5 TFT Full Touch. Colorful display provides intuitive and simple experience of one-touch specialty recipes. Delonghi Coffee Link app lets you create and save up to 3 personalized espresso recipes in your profile, so every cup of coffee is always customized to your unique taste. 16 one-touch or customized coffee drinks, latte, espresso, cappuccino, flat white, iced coffee, regular coffee and more. Built-in conical per grinder with 13 settings for always freshly ground coffee, for any beans of your choice. The intelligent smart one-touch feature recognizes your preferences and is programmed to list your most frequently selected drinks as first on the display.
Top 3.
Breville S8 BSS Barista Touch Espresso Machine, brushed stainless steel. The Breville Barista Touch delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula, and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Dose control grinding, with a single touch. The integrated precision conical burr grinder with dose control delivers the right amount of coffee on demand, for maximum flavor. Optimal water pressure. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start, and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup.
Top 4.
Saeco Xelsis Super Automatic Espresso Machine, Titanium Metal Front, SM7684,04. Premier Programming. The Xelsis lets you program everything. From milk and espresso volume to dose, temperature, and texture. Only thing holding back your morning drink is you. user profile, and once you have your favorite drinks dialed in, you can save them to your dedicated profile for easy access. Touchscreen control. The Xelsis showcases its programming prowess with an accurate 3.5 touchscreen. Hygia Steam System, an upgrade to the steam systems of old. The Xelsis fridge-ready milk carafe packs in texture control, and automated purge and clean cycles. Double thermo blocks, dedicated for both brewing and steaming, offer accurate temperature controls for every drink in your recipe book.
Top 5.
Jura S8 automatic coffee and espresso machine. Piano black. 15 different specialties. S8 coffee machine creates full range of specialties from espresso to latte macchiato to a masterful standard of quality. Pulse extraction process. This process ensures the optimum extraction time for short specialties and delivers a taste explosion for espresso and ristretto. 4.3-inch color touchscreen display. The integrated 4.3 high-resolution color touchscreen display makes the machine incredibly simple to operate. Milk foam. Characteristic Jura.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.